Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a Harris 250 cruiser. We're going to start off on the bow of this boat. As you can see, there's plenty of room for the family on this boat. Lots and lots of room. This boat is Coast Guard rated for 15 people. We have a ski locker. Plenty of storage under this boat. We have storage under the helm as well. Fully equipped dashboard, USBs, Bluetooth stereo, dock lights. Nice high back seat. Coming back to the rear of this boat comes equipped with a 12-foot bimini for those nice hot sunny days. This boat comes equipped with a 4-stroke Mercury 150 horsepower engine with an aluminum prop. If this is a boat you'd like to see more of, give us a call. My name's Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thanks a lot for watching.